Hi, today in this video we will see how we can create a child theme of a blog theme. As you all know, in WordPress, child themes are the most important part when you develop a website. It helps us to keep our changes as it is even when the parent theme gets updated. So here in this video, I will show you how to create a child theme of a blog theme. I am using Frost as the parent theme and I will create a child theme for that. So we will use create blog theme plugin in order to create a child theme for the Frost theme. What you have to do, go to your WordPress admin and then go to go to plugins, go to add new plugin. Obviously before installing or before having the plugin, you need to have parent theme installed on your WordPress. So make sure that you install the Frost or whatever blog theme you want on your WordPress installed previously. After that, go to plugins and add new plugins, and on the search plugin bar type create blog theme. It will search the plugin for you. We will install this plugin. Click on install now. It will take a couple of seconds to install. As it's installed, click on activate. This will activate the plugin in this way. Now you have to go to appearance and click on create blog theme. Here you will see multiple options, as you can see here. You can do other you can use other options as well, but since we need a child theme right now, so we will go to create a child of Frost, this option. Whatever the parent theme is activated on your system, on your WordPress, it will show you the option to create a child theme of that theme. So I'll click on create child theme. I'll name it as Iceberg. You can put your name or you can put your name or whatever the name you want to give to your child theme as per your need and as per your requirement. I am using Iceberg as the name for my child theme, this way. In place of author, you can write your own name. I'm writing my name here, and then click on create child theme. Child theme has been created. Click on OK. It will directly take you to the editor page. In this way, you can just navigate and go to appearance and themes, and here you can see the child theme has been created and has been activated. So this is the best way to create a child theme of a blog theme, because there are other ways to create a child theme, but if you create child theme using those ways, you may find some compatibility issues. So I will recommend you to go with this method. I hope you like the video. Thank you very much.